everyone. Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. It's nice to see you here. Yay!
Oh, hi there. Welcome to another week of Playbus videos. This week we're out in nature and we've got lots of different ideas for you to play and enjoy using natural things. Take it away, Playbus team.
If you're looking for something to do with your baby to explore the natural world together, a very nice simple thing to do is to find a spot with some dappled sunlight, a bit of shade and a bit of sun shining through the trees, and just lay your baby down on the ground. This is my baby Clover. There he is. You can lay down with your baby too and just have a look what's going on. Looking at the trees and the leaves and the sun shining down and the leaves waving in the sky. And the nice thing about lying down on the ground like this with your baby is that it gives them lots of space to stretch their arms and their feet. And yes, some space to move and stretch and wiggle and enjoy being outside together. Give it a go.
Hi again, everyone. I'm going to show you how you can make some Andy Goldsworthy style art at home using nature. And the first step is to collect things. So when you next go outside, you can take with you a bag or a basket or a plastic bag or even a hat or your pocket. So when you're out collecting, you can find some things on the ground which are not growing anymore and you can pick lots of, like dry grass or sticks or stones. Sometimes though, it's really nice to pick things that are alive, and when I do that, I have a rule that I only pick a few things when there's lots and lots of them. So here I can see lots of bramble flowers, so I'm going to take just one home from my basket. It's always good to check with a grown-up when you're picking from a plant you don't know. Make sure they can tell you it's safe, and always wash your hands when you get home before you eat or put your fingers in your mouth. So collecting things is a really nice way for your child to learn about the world around them, and there's some really nice explorations that can happen, like exploring the different textures of things and how they feel in our hands, whether they're heavy or light. And also it's a really nice chance to look really closely at things that sometimes we pass by and really, have a good look at them. Think about maybe why they grow like that. This is actually something that children can sometimes be really good at, and we can sometimes miss the details as grown-ups. So doing a collecting activity with your child can be a nice chance to really actually see the level and the detail that they see at. And when you finish collecting everything that you want to make, it's time to get creative and just enjoy arranging it in different ways. That can be something that you do while you're still out, and you can leave a display for people to find, or you can come with me and we're going to go back home and practice arranging our things back in the house. So once you get your collections home, there's no end of fun things you can do with them. Some examples are making patterns like I have done here on a plant pot, or making pictures. I've made some dancers here which I might stick down, or I might start again and make something else. And another idea is adding the things you found to a picture that you already love.
It's good when you're collecting all your leaves and sticks, when you're going out walking. Got some cherries outside my house. What can we do with them all? One thing you can do is get a piece of paint that's an old card, but we've got a nice, the other side. I'm just going to wrap some string around. I suppose you could use cotton, bits of wool. So we'll wrap it round. Or you could, if you've got a hole puncher, or make holes with your scissors. Bye for now.
Hi there. Our song this week is Round and Round the Garden, and this is a lovely one for babies and for toddlers, and it also can help start teaching counting. So I've got, some of you might know this, and I've got some extra verses which you maybe won't know yet. So it goes like this: round and round the garden like a teddy bear, one step, two step, tickle you under there. Round and round the tree trunk went the little hare, one step, two steps, right up in the air. Round and round the haystack went the little mouse, one step, two step, in his little house. Round the world to catch a little bear. Where are we going to find him? Right up in the air. I hope you enjoy playing that song at home.
Hey, I've got all of these leaves, so I decided to do a bit of leaf threading, for which I will only need some sticks. I've got some scissors, and I've got two string type things, and like various shapes and sizes of leaves. So I've already tied the string on my little stick. I chose a little thinner one because it will go through the leaf easier. So I'm going to start small. I just have to push them through. Yeah. And this is my first leaf.
Poppy and the Blooms by Fiona Woodcock. On top of a hill, not far from here, live Poppy and her friends. There's Dandy and Bluebell and bright little Buttercup. Together they run wild, spreading sunshine wherever they go. One morning, Poppy woke up with a strange tingly feeling. It fluttered in her tummy and shivered the tips of her petals. "Hop on your wheels, Blooms," she said. "We've got to go to the city." It wasn't long before they saw the sign. Buttercup's glow lit up the words. "Today's the day. Last park in the city to be closed." "We have to save the park," cried Poppy. "But where is it?" said Dandy uncertainly. "The city is so big. How will we ever find our way?" "Follow me," said Poppy. "We need to get higher up so we can look out for the park." "Keep climbing, Buttercup and Dandy. Keep climbing up and up." "We're nearly there," said Bluebell. "We made it," said Poppy. "Can anyone see the park?" But then, "Stop!" called Poppy. "Now what are we going to do?" said Dandy. "Well," Poppy replied, "it looks like there's only one way to go. And it's down!" Bluebell edged the skateboard forward. "Ooh, this'll be fun." She grinned and... Whee! "It's soft but very smelly," giggled Bluebell. "I wonder what they've landed in there." Picking themselves up, the four friends sped through the alleyways and down dim side streets, their wheels whirring. "Come on," whooped Poppy. "The park must be just around the corner." "A car!" shouted Poppy. "Quick, this way!" They scrambled up to safety, up and up and up. "Where does this end?" said Dandy, as Buttercup lit the way. At last they reached the top. They could see the park, but now it was far, far, far below them. "I'm tired," said Dandy. "There must be a way down there," said Poppy. "I'm sure of it." "How?" said Buttercup. "What's that floating towards them?" "I think they're going to find a way to get down." "Quick, grab hold!" called Bluebell. "This is fun! Whee!" They landed in just the right place to run wild and spread their sunshine. "Let's get to work," said Poppy. So they did just that. And a whole lot more. Look at all of those colours. All of the beautiful flowers. Bringing a bit of nature to the urban city. When the Blooms arrived back home after their adventure, they turned and saw just how far their magic had spread. Poppy's petals tingled once more. "Hey, Blooms, We did that, she smiled. We did it together, said Dandy and Bluebell, and bright little Buttercup. Look at all of those beautiful wildflowers. Maybe you can plant some wildflowers too and make our city look beautiful. The end. I hope you all really enjoyed all those videos. I thought before we go, you might like to see how big the little kittens have grown. There's one climbing my leg. Can you see them? They're just 1 month old now, but already they're playing and walking. They have their eyes open, and they're even using the litter tray, which is like a cat toilet. This one's eating my shorts. Well, I will leave it there. I hope you all have a good week, and we'll see you with some more videos next time. Bye bye. Say bye, kittens.
2, 3. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye, everyone. We'll see you again next time. Goodbye, everyone. See you soon. Bye.